Are you looking as self-care and home wellness rise in popularity? The demand for Whirlpool tubs has surged. These luxurious bathtubs are no longer exclusive to upscale spas. They're now a sought-after bathroom upgrade for homeowners. Whether you're a hard-working professional looking to unwind or a couple seeking romantic comfort, this guide reviews the best Whirlpool tubs, evaluating them by jet power, build quality, capacity. List number: Empava Pro Series 71 by 48 Whirlpool Tub, heated bubble spa for 2 with thermostatic control. The Empava Pro Series 71 by 48 tub is a standout choice for couples seeking a premium spa experience at home. Designed for 2, it features 10 powerful water jets and 16 air jets, offering a dual hydrotherapy experience. The built-in thermostatic control ensures your soak stays at the perfect temperature, while the LED chromotherapy lights enhance relaxation. Crafted from high-gloss acrylic reinforced with fiberglass, it's both durable and visually appealing. The double-walled design retains heat effectively, allowing for extended soaks. Its modern look fits well in contemporary bathrooms, and the ergonomic backrests make it extremely comfortable for long sessions. While installation may require a professional, its luxurious features and robust build make it worth the investment. If you're looking for a spacious, feature-rich Whirlpool tub built for 2, the Empava Pro Series delivers top-tier comfort and performance. List number: Empava Whirlpool Bathtub 71-inch, 2-person Whirlpool tub with 16 jets, jetted acrylic spa bathtub. For those prioritizing space and hydrotherapy power, the Empava 71-inch Whirlpool tub is a sleek and spacious option. Designed for 2 users, this tub boasts 16 strategically placed water jets, offering an all-around massage experience. Its scratch-resistant acrylic surface ensures long-lasting shine and easy cleaning, while the ergonomic design supports a relaxing posture. Unlike other models, it comes with pre-installed water pump and accessories, reducing setup complexity. The contemporary design, with chrome fixtures and black headrests, adds a stylish touch to modern bathrooms. This model also includes a 1.2 HP water pump, providing enough power for a rejuvenating soak without excessive noise. Ideal for couples or solo bathers wanting a spa-like escape. This Empava tub balances size, power, and elegance at a reasonable price point. List number: Empava 59-inch corner Whirlpool bathtub for 2-person, luxury jetted spa tub with 10 hydro massage jets, built-in heater. Short on space, but still want luxury? The Empava 59-inch corner Whirlpool bathtub is a space-saving gem that doesn't sacrifice comfort or performance. Perfect for bathrooms with limited square footage. This corner design comfortably fits 2 people and features 10 hydro massage jets to target stress points in your back, legs, and feet. The built-in heater ensures consistent water temperature, extending your relaxation time. Despite its compact footprint, this tub features ergonomic seating, soft black headrests, and an intuitive control panel for easy customization. It's made from reinforced acrylic, which ensures durability and heat retention. This tub is ideal for couples with smaller bathrooms or anyone seeking luxury without overhauling their space. Plus, the integrated waterfall faucet and underwater lighting bring an elegant spa feel to your daily routine. List number: Woodbridge 72 by 35 3/8 Whirlpool and air bath heated soaking combination tub with adjustable speed air blower. Combining both Whirlpool and air bath technologies, the Woodbridge 72 combo tub delivers a customizable massage experience with a generous size that fits 2 adults comfortably. This tub includes 20 air jets and 10 water jets, all adjustable via the digital control panel. The air blower features adjustable speed settings, offering a gentle bubble massage or a powerful air spa session. The acrylic body is reinforced with fiberglass and features a high-gloss finish that's easy to maintain. Added touches like the built-in inline heater, built-in LED lights, and anti-slip bottom enhance both safety and luxury. While installation might be best left to professionals, the result is a truly indulgent home spa setup. If you're looking for versatility and top-tier features, this Woodbridge model is one of the best Whirlpool tubs on the market. List number: Woodbridge 60 alcove acrylic rectangular Whirlpool heated jetted tub in white with left drain. If you prefer a more traditional alcove design without compromising on luxury, the Woodbridge 60 alcove rectangular Whirlpool tub is a stellar choice. Its compact design fits into standard alcove bathroom spaces, making it great for renovations or upgrades. Despite its size, it features 8 directional water jets, built-in heater, and a 1.0 HP pump that ensures powerful yet quiet operation. The left side drain layout simplifies plumbing for many homes, and its acrylic construction with a reinforced base ensures long-lasting durability. The minimalist design pairs well with various bathroom aesthetics, and the easy-to-clean finish resists stains and fading. It's a great entry point for users looking to add therapeutic hydrotherapy to their routine without the bulk or price tag of larger units. If you're tight on space but still want an effective, stylish Whirlpool tub, this Woodbridge model is an excellent pick.